Hello everyone. What if I told you someone plugged in a fake router and started giving fake IP addresses to everyone on your network and control your internet traffic? Yes, it's called a rogue DHCP attack and it's more common than you think. A malicious device can assign fake IP addresses, redirect traffic, and even perform man in the middle attacks. But don't worry, today you will learn how to stop it using a powerful feature called DHCP Snooping. So, what is DHCP Snooping? Let's keep it super simple. DHCP Snooping is a security feature built into network switches. Its job is simple: monitor DHCP traffic, allow only trusted DHCP servers to assign IP addresses, and block fake DHCP servers. Think of it like a security guard inside your network. It watches every DHCP message and blocks anything malicious. Without DHCP snooping, anyone can plug in a laptop, act like a DHCP server, and mess up your entire network. A real life example could be like this. Imagine you are in a classroom. Teacher assigns roll numbers and everything looks organized. But suddenly, a student starts giving fake roll numbers to others. This is where the chaos begins. That fake student is like a rogue DHCP server. And DHCP snooping is the monitor who stops that student immediately. Okay, now the question is how DHCP snooping works. Well, DHCP snooping works pretty simple. All you have to do is log into the switch, then enter configuration mode and type IP DHCP snooping in command line interface. That's it. DHCP snooping feature will be enabled. Now, when a device joins the network and sends a DHCP request, the real DHCP server replies. At this point, DHCP snooping checks if a DHCP response, such as offer or acknowledgement, comes from a trusted port is allowed. If a DHCP response comes from an untrusted port is blocked. Now here is the key idea you need to understand. In DHCP snooping, switch ports are divided into two types: trusted and untrusted ports. By default, all ports are untrusted. You have to set which ports are trusted and untrusted. Trusted ports are those connected to legitimate DHCP servers. All the ports which are connected to management control devices, such as switches, routers, servers, etc., are made trusted ports. These ports are allowed to send DHCP messages. Untrusted ports, on the other hand, are connected to regular devices like computers and laptops. These ports are not allowed to act as DHCP server. So if a hacker plugs in a device and tries to send a fake DHCP offer from an untrusted port, the switch immediately drops that packet. No warning, no delay, just blocked. However, DHCP snooping doesn't stop there. It also builds something called a binding table. This table keeps track of important information like MAC addresses, IP addresses, switch ports, VLANs, interfaces, and release time. Why is this important? Because it helps prevent other attacks like IP spoofing and ARP poisoning. Think of it as a verified guest list for your network. DHCP snooping also powers IP source guard and dynamic ARP inspection. These features use the same data to provide even stronger protection. Okay, so in a nutshell, without DHCP snooping, your network is vulnerable. Someone inside your network can act like a fake DHCP server and can assign IP addresses. However, with DHCP snooping, only trusted devices can assign IP addresses and your network stays safe. So whether you are managing a small network or a large enterprise environment, DHCP snooping is not optional, it's crucial. Because in networking, trust should never be given freely. It should always be verified. Now I hope you understand how DHCP snooping protects your network from hidden attacks. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your questions, Subscribe for more networking tutorials. And remember, a secure network is a smart network.